National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baldwin County in west central Georgia, northeastern Pike County in west central Georgia, northwestern Monroe County in central Georgia, southeastern Henry County in north central Georgia, West County in central Georgia, northern Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rover, or near Griffin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Jackson, Locust Grove, Sillavilla, Muir, Shankinesburg, Williamson, Orchard Hill, East Griffin, Worthville, Walker Mill, Rover, Blount, Liberty Hill, Centerville, Highland Mills, Toowoomba, Experiment, Burnett, and Methuen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.